So, a meter is a meter, right? Nothing special about that. But measurements like that are used by everyone. And the more people that use it, the more tiny differences there could be. When building a treehouse, well, it's not that big of a deal. However, when building a bridge and every meter is just a tiny bit off, that becomes a whole nother story. The same counts for speed. How you see your speed can be different from how a speed camera registers it. Ow, that's a ticket. This also applies to liters. Take the trade in oil, for example. A liter here might not be the same as somewhere else. And in the meantime, you still pay the same price. And when making medicine, even the smallest, teeny-weeny microgram is important. Whoa! Luckily, this doesn't happen, because there's metrology. We know the most accurate measures of all those things and much more. Others can compare those standards to measures of their own. That way, everyone can rely on those to make agreements on. And that makes life much easier.